All right, so we have the average low temperature in a town is shown in the table below, and they tell us that the relationship is linear. So that means if it's linear, we know that if we put these points on a graph that they're going to fall into a straight line. And then we're being asked, what is the rate of change of the average low temperature in degrees Fahrenheit per month? So we need to know that it's linear, and we need to know that we're looking for rate of change. Because we know that it's a linear rate of change, it's going to be, the change in y divided by the change in x. All right, so let's start off by looking at our change in y. So our y is going to be this bottom part of the table here. This will be our y values. So by change in y, we want you to look at, so to go from 42 to 49.5, what is the change there? So to get from 42 to 49, we know is up, right? That's going to be bigger. So from 42 to 49 is up 7. And then we also have that extra half. So it's going to be up 7.5. If we check that with our next point to get from 49.5 to 57, that's another 7.5. All right, so now that means our change in y is 7.5. Now we're going to do the same thing with our x values. So to get from 2 to 3, that's going up, and that's going to be plus 1. To get from 3 to 4, that's also plus 1. And we can keep going in that fashion, but the pattern should look about the same. So our change in x is going to be 1. So our rate of change for this table is going to be 7.5 divided by 1, which when we reduce that fraction is just going to be 7.5.